Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to make $1,500 a week using Pinterest for just 10 minutes a day. It's not an overnight success story, but with consistency and the right strategy, you can turn Pinterest into a serious income stream. The business model we will be looking at today is affiliate marketing. Basically, all you need to do is get an affiliate link and then promote it. When someone clicks on your link and buys something, you earn money. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Choose your niche. Your niche is the foundation of your Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy. It should be something you're passionate about and has a good market on Pinterest. For me, it was business. When choosing your niche, consider your interests and expertise, market demand on Pinterest, potential for affiliate products. Don't just go for the most popular niches. Find a balance between your passion and profit potential. Step 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are partnerships where you earn a commission for promoting a company's products. Start with larger programs like Amazon Associates, but don't stop there. Look for niche-specific programs that align with your chosen topic. When choosing programs, consider commission rates, cookie duration, how long you'll earn from a referral, payment terms, and product quality and relevance to your audience. Step 3. Set up your Pinterest business account. A business account on Pinterest is crucial. It's free and provides access to valuable analytics. Here's what to focus on. Use a clear, professional profile picture. Write a keyword-rich bio that explains what you offer. Create boards that align with your niche and use relevant keywords in board titles and descriptions. Enable rich pins for your website to provide more context for your content. Step 4. Research your audience. Understanding your audience is key to success. Use Pinterest's search function as a research tool. Type in keywords related to your niche. Look at the suggested search terms. These show what people are actually searching for. Study popular pins in your niche. What type of content and products are resonating? Don't forget to use Pinterest trends to see what topics are gaining traction. Step 5. Choose your affiliate products. Not all products are created equal on Pinterest. Look for visually appealing products. Remember, Pinterest is a visual platform. Items that solve a problem or fulfill a desire for your audience. And products with a good balance of commission and likelihood to sell. Seasonal items that align with Pinterest trends. Step 6. Create your pin. Your pin is your advertisement, so make it count. Here's what works. Use high-quality, eye-catching images. Create a clear, benefit-driven title. Use text overlay on images to convey key information. Stick to a consistent style to build brand recognition. And, of course, use templates from tools like Canva to save time and ensure a professional look. Step 7. Write your pin description. Your pin description is crucial for SEO and convincing users to click. Include relevant keywords, especially in the first 50 to 60 characters. A brief, compelling description of the product benefits. A clear call to action, e.g., click to see how these products can save you money. Don't forget your disclosure that it's an affiliate link. Be transparent to build trust. Step 8. Post and schedule. Consistency is key on Pinterest. Here's a simple strategy. Post your new pin to the most relevant board first. Use a scheduling tool to repin it to other related boards over the next few weeks. Aim to create and post at least one new pin daily. Also, experiment with posting times to see when your audience is most active. Now let me share my 10-minute daily routine. 2 minutes. Check yesterday's analytics. Look for which pins are performing well and why. 5 minutes. Create and post a new pin. Use your research and past performance to inform your choices. 3 minutes. Engage with others in your niche. Comment on pins, repin relevant content, and join group boards. Remember, success on Pinterest doesn't happen overnight. It took me a few months of consistent effort before I saw significant results. But once it starts working, it really works. I know we've covered a lot, and you might be feeling a bit overwhelmed. That's why I've created a comprehensive guide on the website. It dives even deeper into each of these steps and includes some advanced tactics I've learned along the way. So, are you ready to turn your Pinterest account into a money-making machine? Head over to the description for your free guide, and let's start this journey together. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to start, stay consistent, and keep learning. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning. Here's to your Pinterest success.